The 2000 steps if we get
If the food is good.
yes.
Wait, I'll do whatever the I want. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gauri Bhasin. I have started Pilates. It is a huge shift for me. I was definitely not used to it. I was such either a gym person or I don't know what to do person. I'm not gonna do a lot of skincare because I still have to shower and I haven't showered yet because I need to go to Pilates, come back and then shower. Like, it's a whole deal. But I am gonna use the serum, a moisturizer and a sunscreen, and that is it. Because पूरा वो वहाँ पे वैसा उतर जाएगा अगर मैं कुछ भी करूँगी. And also, if you know me, I'm not that much of a makeup person when it comes to workout. I feel like I need to be comfortable at all times, and sometimes makeup makes me feel like I need to touch up or I need to put my lipstick again, and at Pilates that's not the scene I want to go for. I'm so excited to shoot today. Like, I'm shooting after so long. I forgot to mention I went in with the Dermaco 10% vitamin C face serum. Next, I am going in with this moisturizer, and you guys definitely know it's been in my drawer for years. But I have started also using a Kind moisturizer when I want to do my makeup. Right before my makeup, I use this one. I would highly suggest it. It is really good. I love the texture and I love the packaging. Honestly, it's just like you can take as much as you want. This I'm a little scared to even press because I don't know kitna ek sath aa gaya to dar lagta hai. I have this thing with that packaging. I just like that more. This is the other one that I use. Also, I was recently watching this girl's videos. I think Hannah Elise, but I'm not sure. Anyways, and I love her videos. Like, I follow very niche specific creators जिनका वीडियो मुझे genuinely बहुत पसंद आया है. मतलब मैंने उनके 3-4 वीडियोस देखे हैं, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. मैं सिर्फ उन्हें फॉलो करती हूँ. I don't easily follow creators on YouTube. And I recently saw a video of her saying that she got into a rehab facility. Like, she put herself into a rehab facility for depression. I was shook. And now see, I get the part where it's just, people are different on camera and off camera. All of that I understand. But I loved her and I love her and it is just so shocking because she's such a happy-go-lucky person, and hearing this from someone like her was definitely very shocking for me. This sunscreen is a must-have. It's the Moody Hybrid Water Sunscreen SPF 50 PA+. This is the, that कौन सा होता है जो कभी-कभी मतलब it's a limited edition. Yes, it's a limited edition, but just get this sunscreen in general. It's really good. Here is everything I am gonna carry in my bag for Pilates. Now I know this bag is too huge, but मेरे पास medium size का bag नहीं है, so we're just gonna adjust with this one. This is my backup perfume. It is from Bath and Body Works Into the Night. Next, I go in with my lip gloss. Yeah, so I don't really carry this one because it leaks, but it is Kiro ka Pink Funfetti. It's basically the clear one for cheeks and lips. It's pretty good. It almost always leaks, so okay, never mind, I removed that. But I'm carrying the Melixir ka vegan lip butter. This is really good. This is genuinely good. AirPods, my phone, lastly a hair tie and my camera, but I need to take it off. So let's go. And of course my camera on a tripod. It's the only possible way. and I need to wear my socks. Hey guys, I just got back and my parcel was waiting at home. I ordered my nails yesterday from this reusable press-on nails brand called Nail In It. It's like a very famous brand, and my friend does marketing for that brand, and the owner, like I've met him, he's so sweet. So yeah, I was just like, what is all the hype about? I had to give it a try, and by chance when I was ordering it, like literally when I just opened the app, I got a notification on my Instagram where Nail In It had texted me that, listen, you can use this coupon code, you'll get like a 25% off, and I was like, huh? Like this is meant to be. I think a lot of you guys must have seen so many creators use this. It's really viral. This is what I ordered. So I went for these glazed nails. Cosmic Crush. The name is Cosmic Crush. I'm super excited to try it on. I can't do it right now because I need to go eat. I have like 2 more parcels coming in. One is from Bliss Club where I've ordered like 2 similar leggings to this one. And one is from Savannah where I ordered this leather jacket for my trip that I'm taking in December. This is how it looks. So yeah, and I'll see you guys later. I need to go eat. Hey guys, I just got out of the shower. I know that this looks very basic and it looks like kya hi pehen ke ja rahi hai, but you gotta trust the process. I have something amazing in mind and I just tried it on before my shower. It looks super cute and very pretty. Like I love it. So yeah, also I said I was gonna answer a few questions while doing my makeup, so let's do that. Let's start with Instagram and then we'll move on to Snapchat. The first question is, what's the most surprising thing that has happened to you while filming the video behind the scenes? I don't remember, but yeah, I do remember this. I remember when I was filming once, I think it was during my exams and I was pulling an all-nighter. So if you've seen my old YouTube videos, you probably know that, you know, I used to pull all-nighters and study a lot उस time पे, especially on YouTube vlogs. Real life से इतना पढ़ती नहीं थी मैं. But while doing so, like while I was studying, I broke a glass and I made it like a whole meme on YouTube. But that was definitely very shocking for me because it was really late at night and I sort of freaked out. It was in my old house. It's a very old video. I don't even know which one it was. But yeah, I think that's the only surprising thing that's happened to me. I don't know anything else. Someone wrote here, one of the most inspiring creators. Okay, that is really sweet. I'm trying so hard to live up to your expectations, but again, it's gonna take me some time to get used to those expectations because wow. What inspires you? I feel like earlier, I used to really rely on inspiration from the outside world and people, other people, all of that. But recently, I have started getting inspired from myself. Like, I just look up to myself more than I look up to other people. I have seen myself at my peak. Like, I've seen how life was and how I used to edit and shoot and do everything at once while I was giving my 10th exams and 12th exams, and I've done all of that. So I just sort of start taking that as an inspiration to be a better person. Which shower gel and body wash do you use? So I have this friend in Mumbai and she's very sweet and she's like a very good friend. So her parents are in Muscat. Now the thing is, this time when they came back, they got me this body wash which is like velvet plum, aisa kuch likha hai ispe. It's a really good body wash and I have been using that ever since. It's so amazing, but that's the only one I'm using. यार अभी ना मुझे ऑनेस्टली इंडिया वाले बॉडी वॉशेस ही भूल गए हैं, बिकॉज मेरे को ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 महीने हो गए हैं ये वाला यूज़ करते हुए. स्किन केयर रूटीन में आई वुड जस्ट सजेस्ट स्टार्ट विद वॉशिंग योर फेस एवरी सिंगल डे, प्रेफरेबली बोथ टाइम्स, लाइक सुबह एंड रात को. बट रात को तो कंपल्सरी वॉश योर फेस, लाइक इट इज, डोंट try to skip that ever. It is gonna impact very badly. And I would suggest apply oil on your face, because लड़कों के लिए ना usually ज़्यादा कुछ मुझे पता नहीं है, क्योंकि the friends around me also, they don't have acne and all a lot, so I don't really know what they use or stuff. But once I figure it out and once I actually learn, I will for sure tell you guys. I really like this question. Would you ever publicly reveal if you were dating? I have one simple answer in one simple word: no. I feel like revealing it publicly is a very, very bad idea, by the way. I mean, it's good for you if you're like sure and you know, but to each their own. For me, I feel like personally it's not something I would do. I do have a few friends whose relationship is public and they feel like it is such a good decision, and they keep it low key, like everyone knows who they're dating and all, but they don't post about their boyfriends a lot, and it's an amazing thing if you're comfortable with it. Personally, I feel like I'm not that comfortable with it, and I would like to keep it private till I at least get engaged. And I know it's बहुत आगे का thought, but I'm just giving you an idea कि I would like to keep things as private as possible, because I don't want everyone to know what's going on in my life at all times of, you know, at all times of my life basically. So I would say no, basically. Tell us your journey. Okay, it's like still going on, but it's a very long journey and I have come a very long way. If you've seen me 3-4 years ago, you know it, and you're so like, you just know where I'm coming from. In case you don't, you can just look at my old YouTube videos. I was basically in like 10th, I think, when I started creating content, thoda usse bhi pehle, and it started off just as time passed, because us time pe I had this really bad heartbreak, and no, it wasn't a boyfriend, it was my best friend. If you guys know, it's just very hard to deal with when your best friend leaves you. So I was dealing with that when I started content creation as a way to escape that side of my life. It became such an important part of my life that now I don't think I can go for even a few weeks without creating content. Right now, even my coping mechanism when I'm like pissed or something is content. कि गुस्सा हो, चलो content बनाते हैं, छोड़ो, edit कर देते हैं, shoot कर लेते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ करते रहना चाहिए in content creation के इसमें. A lot of people have asked me for my height. I am either 5'5" or 5'6". I have a pretty decent height according to me. And what all sorts of activities you prefer to do and why? I am a very outgoing person. If you know me personally, as like an overall, if I see, I'm very outgoing and I really like meeting new people, talking to new people. So I think sports is definitely my place. I really like pickleball, basketball. Basketball मैंने उतना खेला नहीं है, but मेरे को खेलना पसंद था. So I don't know anymore. And same with skating. But I would like to play pickleball. I really enjoy Pilates. I went there today, you guys saw. And other than that, I really enjoy badminton. Yeah, it's another favorite. Do you have ADHD? So here's the thing. One of my friend once told me that I have ADHD, but I don't think so, because apparently according to her, it is because I can really like change topics so fast, like my story does not stay in one line. Like basically कि मैं बात कर रही हूँ, जैसे मैंने एक स्टोरी बताई and मैं उससे दूसरी स्टोरी, तीसरी स्टोरी, and ऐसे करके I just go really fast, and she feels like that is not normal. And I just don't feel so. Like I feel like it is okay. I just love talking. Like I'm a yapper. So I don't know why people have started giving terms to just people who like talking in general. Like nowadays it's like if you like talking a lot and if you just switch lanes really fast, it's ADHD. Like you have big time ADHD. I feel like there are more symptoms to ADHD and this is not the only one. So describing this as ADHD is a little excessive. But it could be that, you know, my friend noticed more symptoms as well that maybe I didn't notice. Could be ho sakta hai, but this is my point of view that I feel like I don't have ADHD. Now let's move on to Snapchat. In case you don't follow me on Snapchat, I've written my ID over here. Go and follow. I'm very active on Snap. Like I post at least 10 to 15 stories a day. What is my, oh god, weird date experience? So you guys are going to be very shocked to hear this. I have not been on a lot of dates. I am not a person who goes out a lot. Like if I'm dating you, I'll go out with you, but I'm not the kind of person who would go out on dates from, you know, apps or maybe my friends. Like I'm not the kind of person who goes out on dates in general a lot. So I don't have any weird date experience. I've maybe been out on like one date and that's about it. Academic goals, what are your future plans when it comes to studies? So here is the deal. I personally, this is a very controversial opinion and I just know that I'm gonna get quite some hate for saying it publicly. I don't think you need to have a degree or study a lot to be successful in life. Now, I know a lot of people are going to disagree to this and say that it is because I haven't studied enough or whatever, and how are you going to become a doctor? So first of all, I am not the kind of person who wants to become a doctor, who wants to become an engineer or a psychologist or anything. Like I like psychology and all, but it's not my first preference. So please do not come at me. I don't judge people for studying. Obviously, like it's your choice. If you like studying, go for it. I don't like studying personally. Utna zyada, so I am just sort of doing correspondence to get myself through it. I think you should lose some weight. Like they've written aage bhi thoda cheeze which is a little too weird and creepy. First of all, you're no one to comment on my body. I want to gain weight. I want to lose weight. I'll do whatever the I want. Please do not come at my body. I don't like it and I do not appreciate it. I have been blocking people left, right, center for commenting on me, my body, how I look, all those vulgar comments. I have been blocking people left, right, center. If I see any more people commenting on my body, no matter if it's bad or good, I just like don't want you to comment on my body at all, period. I have not even put my body out for display for someone to comment on it. My like niche is very fashion, lifestyle, beauty, all of that, and even my vlogs are very normal lifestyle vlogs, people that, you know, somebody would sit and enjoy just to see what's going on. So please do not comment on my body. Someone asked where I am from. I am from Mumbai. I've been born and brought up here. I have family in Delhi. I do visit there very often. I even have family in Punjab and I am a Punjabi. A brown lip because I haven't done one in so long. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready and you guys will see me at the event. Hopefully I can vlog a lot of the event as well. But I'll see you guys later. With this amazing Majdoor we've got, we're going to Mia Kebabs. And one thing that I've come to realize is Mumbai is definitely not a walkable city. You have to get cabs. I feel like distances in Mumbai feel longer than they do abroad.
Yeah.
Like 1 kilometer abroad is nothing. But here it's like,
this was
kill
like
me.
2000 steps.
Yeah, aram se. And upar se with this, I was carrying it the entire way. I just gave it to him because I needed to vlog. Such a liar. He's lying, guys. Trust me. Yeah, you are following me. You should trust me. And we're here.
cruising है ना.
cruising. The happiness. I think people are seeing you in my vlog after Goa.
Yeah, I think it was completely worth it walking the 2000 steps if we get to
If
eat
the food
like
is
this.
good.
Yes.
I think it'll taste good regardless because we're hungry and we're basically dying. So yeah. So I had gone for the Ordinaries event today, as you guys saw, and यहाँ पे I was supposed to, like, I basically got this card in which they were asking me my skin type and all, and then they would recommend me products from Ordinary that would help me make my skin the best it has ever been. Anyways, so I also was speaking to a friend who is very good with skincare, Harsh actually. He was a part of the vlog. So here is everything that Ordinary gave me to use and make my skin amazing. So we start off with the foaming cleanser. They said it would work best for my skin because it is like, it helps clear out a lot of pores and acne marks and the blackheads that I have. They said it helps clearing it out. Now mind you, I'm not asking you guys to buy any of these products yet. Let me try it, let me test it, let me see how well it is working on my skin. And if I genuinely like it, only then I'll suggest it. You guys know that, like, an honest review is always honest from my end. Guys, nails, long nails, bad idea, don't get it done. So this is meant to be used after I use this cleanser. Now next, okay, it is the Ordinary AHA BHA peeling solution, 10-minute exfoliating facial. Let's move on to the last step. This is basically a moisturizer, but the reason I got it is very funny. It is because it has clear, like, it's clear, wait. This is the only reason I got it. Can you see how clear that is? It's clear and it's a moisturizer. I love that. I think let's go try these products and see how it works out. I am gonna start with the cleanser, go in with this. I didn't want a very long skincare routine, but I'm already like 5-step skincare routine mein aa gayi hu main. I'm starting off with the Ordinary foaming cleanser. Guys, at this point, ChatGPT is my bestest friend ever. In this entire world, nobody is as supportive and helpful as ChatGPT. So ChatGPT told me that I should go in for both because hyaluronic acid and vitamin C are a very good combination and they really help to protect and hydrate your skin together. But my friend told me that I should go in with a toner before I go in with any of this because it can really irritate the skin. Don't follow me, please get cotton pads. I can't find mine and I'm too desperate right now. Oh yeah, here are a few skincare tips that I learned today. First is always use a toner before using any serum. Second, figure out your skin type and go into ChatGPT and tell it to, like, figure out what kind of skincare works well for you. Oh, next I'm going with the hyaluronic acid. Not me hoping that कल सुबह मैं एकदम magically clear skin के साथ उठूँ. One more thing I learned is you can even have just 3 steps in your skincare routine, which is a cleanser, a serum, but you would have to add a toner to that. But a cleanser, a serum and toner and a moisturizer, like, you can end it that there, but do not put the moisturizer even when the serum is like damp in your skin. It's not a good thing. Oh, next I'm using the Derma Co Vitamin C 10% face serum. It's a day and night serum and I've used it before, it has helped me well, so I think I can use it again. Maybe I should learn skincare and just, like, make a series out of it. That would be really helpful. Okay, next is this moisturizing something. It's basically a moisturizer in simple short terms, but it's from Ordinary again because I went to the event and they had this whole lab which really helped. I also like it because it's just clear and I don't have to deal. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but it's a little chipku. This basically just helps lock in all the serums and moisturizer and face cleansers that you use. Okay guys, I'm done with my skincare. Also, yeah, I'm going in with the Indie Wild Ka Luminary Concentrate Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream, whatever. I'm done. इससे ज़्यादा मुझसे नहीं होगा. And ये भी पता नहीं मुझसे रोज़ होगा या नहीं. I can definitely follow the cleanser and like the basics I can do, but दो serum mix रोज़ तो नहीं होने वाले मुझसे. This was fun, guys. After so long, I vlogged properly at an event, and it was just overall, I love the vibes. Life is getting good again. I will see you guys in my next video, and please share this, comment karo, thoda engage karo, please help your girl out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.